As schools try to integrate trauma-informed practices and social-emotional learning into the classroom, the skills that educators, mental health providers, administrators, and other school staff need to effectively impact students is primarily based on building healthy relationships. I want to share strategies with you on how to connect with an increasingly diverse population and to achieve three main goals. One, how to develop a psychologically safe classroom that promotes student achievement. Two, how do we honor the multifaceted identities of both our teachers and our students? And three, how to connect students and teachers from different backgrounds. I hope to inspire you to be able to continue building the resilient students and resilient classrooms that you've been building, and to move our kids from just trying to survive to really trying to thrive.